I tried Trustee Wallet app for 7 days. Here is the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Trustee Wallet app, I wasn't expecting much. Another crypto wallet promising speed, security and simplicity. We've all heard it before. But after 7 days of using it, the shocking truth is that Trustee might be one of the most underrated multi-chain wallets on the market today. On day 1, setup was a breeze. No email, no kick, just a quick wallet creation with a recovery phrase. It instantly supported Bitcoin, Ethereum, and over 100 other cryptocurrencies. The clean, modern interface made it easy to navigate even for beginners. By day 2, I tested the swap feature, and this is where Trustee surprised me. It allows direct crypto swaps using liquidity providers, without the need to register on exchanges. My swap from Ethereum to USD was lightning fast and came with transparent fees displayed up front. Most people get this wrong. They assume non-custodial wallets can't handle easy swaps, but Trustee proved that wrong. Midweek, I explored security features. Trustee uses local encryption and doesn't store private keys on any server. Your keys stay on your device, meaning full control stays in your hands. Thus, the app even supports biometric protection for an added layer of security. By day 5, I tried sending and receiving crypto between multiple blockchains. The process was flawless. Whether I was sending Bitcoin or BEP tokens, the transactions were smooth and reliable. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. Trustee Wallet isn't just a storage app, it's a complete decentralized finance tool built for both beginners and pros. If you want a wallet that combines privacy, ease of use, and real control, Trustee Wallet might be the hidden gem you've been overlooking.